On October 1st, 2024, a patrolling officer observed a vehicle traveling behind her, recklessly cutting in and out of traffic. The vehicle seemed to be following the officer, as the car would switch lanes every time the officer switched lanes.
The vehicle then went around the patrolling officer
and cut the officer off and slammed on the brakes.
The officer then activated her lights and initiated a traffic stop. What the officer doesn't know is that this suspect has recently posted on social media, putting a bounty on law enforcement for their arrest and even their lives.
Route 12 and south. Well, stay in your car. No. Stay in your car.
You're going to be arrested.
Okay.
Put your hands up.
It's Wallik at 28. Currently trying to arrest me. Wallik, roll the window down. Roll the window down. Roll the window down. Why are you stopped in the middle of the road?
I'm trying to get you to pull over. You wouldn't listen.
You cannot stop in the middle of the road.
I was trying to get you to pull over.
Okay, roll the window down. Give me your driver's license. 7:44. He just fled my stop. I'm not going to pursue. 10-8.
The next day, the suspect was issued a warrant for his behavior during this incident. Officers arrive at his home to arrest him.
He didn't do nothing wrong, you guys! What the hell?
No, don't worry. Shh. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
My mom's going tomorrow! I wanted it there!
Hey. Don't worry, everybody. Congress will know. Don't worry.
I know, what's the word about?
Don't worry. I'm all right now. If I end up dead tonight,
no, you better not.
I know. Everybody knows. I'm going to ask for a lawyer. All right, everyone. I gotta go.
All right, Eric, let's walk this way.
What do you guys do?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Take it easy.
Appreciate you coming out so easy.
No problem.
Pull the car up.
No problem.
We'll have to march him all the way down the street. Hey, Eric, we're going to have him pull the car up. So
Oh,
we're not
that's
marching you all the way down
fine.
the street, okay?
That's fine. Sure.
We'll explain everything to you.
Oh no, I want a lawyer right now.
That's fine.
I want a lawyer right now.
You can make some phone calls when we get to the station, okay?
I want a lawyer.
What station?
Fox Lake.
And then they're gonna take me to McHenry, Lake County.
Correct.
I know. I want my lawyer.
Okay, that's fine.
So don't worry, okay, hon?
I love you.
I love you too.
Do you need any phone numbers, or do you have your phone with you that you can?
I don't
get
have
phone
no
numbers
phone
from?
on me.
Do you need to get phone numbers from?
No,
the
I don't need no phone
For your
number.
attorney?
No. I'll ask for an attorney in front of the judge.
Okay, that's fine.
Right now, I want an attorney.
Okay.
Do you want anything from the house, though, or anything to leave here?
No, like what?
Anything that you have on you that you want?
No, you can search me. I don't have no weapons.
When the car comes, we'll do that in front of the camera, okay?
That's fine
And
with
then
me.
do you need anything else?
Nope.
Perfect.
Nope. This will not keep me quiet.
Well, that's fine.
You hear that, everyone? This will not keep me quiet.
All right, we're gonna go to the front of the
Yeah,
car.
that's fine.
Okay.
I love you too. You're just mad because I was arresting them for cover-up, corruption, attempted murder, planning the plot to kill the next president of the United States, Mr. Wallik. They're trying to keep me quiet. November is next month. This is what they do to a presidential candidate. They're imprisoning me. I'm a POW, folks. Make sure Congress is notified. It's okay. I'm all right, folks. God bless you guys. God bless America. And when this comes out, the truth will be known on the chief of police on Fox Lake and everyone else who's involved. Goodbye, everyone.
All right.
It's okay, honey. Love ya. Love you.
Thanks for coming out without a problem, man. We appreciate that.
Lawyer. So how much dirty money you're getting paid off to cover this up? You know you're gonna be looked at, don't you? You and your chief and everybody else trying to kill people. Yeah, that's what I thought. You better keep quiet. You think you guys will get away with this? I hope this is being recorded in here. And you guys will be caught for tapping in our phones too. You guys will be caught. I'm taking everybody down that's corrupted. Don't you want to talk? What do you have to hide, officer? This is why dirty cops like you will be taken down, just like Kelly Robin, the representative of the 2nd Congressional District. She'll be going down too, just like the 2 McHenry County judges, just like the prosecutors out of the McHenry County Courthouse who framed Michelle Leader. You heard about that, didn't you, officer? No, you're shaking your head no. Why don't you want to talk about it, officer?
I don't know about it.
Yeah, you do. You investigate people, don't you? All right, then. Talk. Kidnapped her. You know who she is. My fiancée. Of course you do. Don't act stupid. And raping her? You know about that. Detective Christopher Murphy? Detective Rick Tinsley? Come on, you know about them. You know how everybody covered up for them. And they murdered her father. Come on, you know that. Talk about it, buddy. Yeah, that's right. Smile, laugh about it, think it's funny. When everybody goes to jail for murder, hey, I'll be the one that's laughing. You should be happy I'm taking down corruption. But you're a dirty cop, you don't care. The American people will. They're gonna find out the truth.
Just watch your head as you get out.
You know these hands are too tight.
The name of this suspect is Eric Wallik, and he's from McHenry, Illinois. According to him, he was a 2024 presidential candidate.
Just days before the incident he had with the officer on the highway, he posted a disturbing message on social media in his post. He mentioned putting warrants out for Illinois police officers for attempted murder breaking and entering an assault with a deadly weapon on his girlfriend, Michelle Leader, who he called the next First Lady. And himself, there is no reputable documentation of this ever happening to him. Or Michelle Wallik went on to state that if the officers do not turn themselves in, he will bring them in dead or alive, essentially making a threat on their lives. He offered $2 to $5 million for the law enforcement officers. However, he never seemed to even mention the names of these officers that allegedly committed these crimes. He said that he hopes the officers want to have a shootout because that's when they will end up dead for pulling their guns on a presidential candidate. He finished his statement by saying the next president of the United States, will be laughing at the dead law enforcement officers that are laying on the ground. For both his post on social media and his actions on the highway, Wallik was charged with aggravated assault on a peace officer, aggravated assault with a motor vehicle, reckless driving, and fleet being eluding. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. While Eric's reckless driving didn't prompt a vehicle pursuit, this next suspect is chased by an entire city of officers after he attempted to hit an officer with his car.
Turning around, he's driving into oncoming traffic. That's the exit on the 206.
I had passerbyers say that he got northbound back on 95.
Northbound back on 95 for 106.
I've got eyes on him again. We're gonna try to go ahead and catch up to him, try to box him in. He signaled forward. He's off in the ditch on the right. Someone get behind him, he's running. He's gonna run. Hey, hands! Stay on the fucking ground! Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Hey, put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
I got a hand.
Hand!
I got a hand.
Hey! Hey, he's got a hand! Hey, slow down! Slow down!
I got a left hand.
Ready? Ready? Roll! Hey, my right, hold on.
Go this way.
Hey, my right leg is hooked.
Towards the road.
I know.
my face.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Roll. Roll. Roll.
Hit me in my face.
Shut up, man.
Still got left.
Put your hand on your back.
I got it.
It hit me in my ass.
He's the only one.
It hit me in my ass. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Hey!
I'm telling you, I can't breathe.
Put your hands on your back. Put your hand on your back. Put your hand on your back.
Cuffs.
Cuffs.
Can't breathe.
Well, if you let us cuff you, you will get moved.
Okay, what do it do it?
Now, please stop.
Do it. I can't breathe.
We're trying to
Hurry
get
up.
you up.
Hurry up.
Put him over on the side. Put him on the side.
Hey, he's good. Shut up.
On the ground. You hit me in my now. You don't do that to a person. I don't give a what you do. You don't do that.
George.
Man, hit me in my now.
George. Thank you. You was a mag. Yeah. This car free.
Man, hit me in my now.
Yeah, okay, be quiet.
Look at my face. Look at my face.
Yeah, be quiet.
Man, hit me in my now.
Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Everybody all good?
Nobody's hurt.
All right. Nobody's hurt. We're good.
That was you?
That was me, baby.
Damn,
You're trying to run me over.
Hey, back in your car. Back in your car.
St. John's 422.
You good, brother? You good? Yeah. Hey, take it to one lane. Get some patrol cars, not these. Block these 2 lanes, and let's make it a 1 lane, all right? Block this right here. Go right here. Right there. Bumpers? Yeah. We're good? Yeah, bumpers.
All right, you good? Yeah. All right.
This suspect was charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, fleeing or attempting to elude a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer with violence. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.